Okay, post going out, Sarah and I are going to brunch. That's at Starbucks. Going to the park. I run this thing! Oh my god. Post brunch, Sarah and I went and got flash tattoos. I have another one on my hip. And then now we are in fucking Times Square at this, I don't know what we're doing, but we're here. We have left brunch with tattoos and a caricature. Now we have decided to head back downtown.
Then I proceeded to go out that night, XOXO.
Okay, I've intercepted a bagel and now I'm gonna walk home and finish doing some laundry. So I'll catch up with you guys when I'm having more fun later in the day. I feel like I'm having my Trisha Paytas moment on the floor right now, but I want to show you guys my jewelry, my favorite part of my fit. So both pieces are from Ana Luisa. They're based in New York. I have on their necklace and their earrings. They're a sustainable jewelry company and all the pieces are of luxury quality, but they're at much more affordable prices for college students like me. And I've literally been eyeing Ana Luisa for so freaking long. Like I've seen other like influencers and just like people I follow online posting them for years. And now that I've finally like got some pieces, I'm literally obsessed because I like quality jewelry. Like I'm one of those people, when I put on jewelry, it stays on for a while. Like I don't want to have to take it off to shower or like wash my hands, even though you probably should. But like I don't like to have to take it off when I'm just going about my day. Like if I'm wearing a necklace or earrings, they stay on me for a while. And I love these pieces because you can do that. And yeah, they work with everything. I think what's really cute is, so right now with this outfit, layering jewelry is in. I have another Ana Luisa necklace that I may add to this to layer. But I think they're super cute accent pieces because this necklace, it's blue. So it's like a pretty color, but it's also gold. And I normally, what was I gonna say? I normally tend to stick to gold jewelry, even though I know there's a test you can take that tells you like based on your skin tone, your like undertones, if gold or silver looks better on you. But I tend to stick to gold. And then the earrings are also gold, but I think they're super cute because they're great like everyday pieces, but they also are like classy enough that if you're going out or doing something like bougier, I think they look cute as well. And for you all, I actually have a discount code that I will put on the screen and in the description of this video, so you can get some pieces from Ana Luisa as well. I would highly, highly, highly recommend them. They're so cute and of great quality, and at really reasonable prices. I'll have that on the screen and in the description, as well as like the specific pieces that I'm wearing if you want to get the same ones I have, because I think they're so cute. That will be in the description of this video as well. And getting Ana Luisa, just know that you're supporting a great company that's focused around sustainability as well, which I find to be really important when I'm choosing pieces. But yeah, thank you guys for listening to my little spiel. I would highly recommend the pieces that I'm wearing right now and the company in general. I definitely want to get more pieces from Ana Luisa. And yeah, now we can go about my day. Outfit of the night, yin and yang vibes.
Crushing it as always.
Black and white dresses, iconic dresses.
Iconic.
And then we'll see you guys this week when I am more coherent. We are up, we are in Brooklyn, getting the nails done. My hand's looking rather busted right now. I'm gonna make this better. Manhattan we go.
Back to civilization.
Woo! So Annie just headed home. I went to the gym. I just did like a quick workout. And then on my way back, I haven't had sweet green in like 2 years, since 2019. But I got sweet green for lunch. So I'm gonna eat this and then I have to run some errands for school and stuff. I need to get like a planner from Staples and stuff like that. So I'm going to eat this and then shower and get ready and then run my errands. I'm like trying to show the bowl, but like it doesn't look that appetizing. But there's like tofu, sweet potatoes, rice, veggies, all that jazz. I've decided to actually be more productive than just Staples. I have to return something to Urban Outfitters, so that's what's around my arm. And then I also have to pay rent, so I'm gonna do that. I might check out the park because I think all the people like who are new moved in and I think it'll be chaotic and kind of fun to go over there. So I'm gonna do that. Yes. Mask on, literally, because I look busted. I've been listening to Ribs a lot lately, and I don't know what that says about me or my mental state, but and 2.5 hours later, I'm back. I have all this stuff. I can give you a little haul. It's not that exciting. I feel like first week of classes is just a week of getting shit and kind of preparing. I got Flonase, some allergy. I don't know, it's something you use every day to make your allergies better. I got conditioner. I went to the Target at the Barclays Center in Brooklyn because it's like a normal Target, like a suburban one, it's huge, versus the city Targets just don't have anything that I'm looking for ever. And I got more mouthwash. I got a planner. I really like these, the weekly monthly ones. I got immunity gummies, deep conditioner. Then I also went to Westside Market and I got sparkling water and root beer. So that is my little haul for you all. Now I'm gonna put all this stuff away. Cheers. Hey guys, so I've not really vlogged today because I frankly am just not up to anything exciting. I went to Staples this morning and I got notebooks, so I'm doing readings for my class tomorrow. I start classes tomorrow. And I'll vlog that. I guess I'll show you kind of my setup currently. I promise it's an organized mess over here. This is here because I have self-tanner on and I don't want to get it on my couch. Then I labeled all of my like classes on these composition books I got, and I'm currently doing a reading for my like, what's it called, life science class about the brain and neurology. So that's very fun. I have all my colored pens. I like taking colorful notes. We have 2 classes tomorrow, one of which is this one, and that's at 9:30 in the morning tomorrow. So I'm just like doing this reading. I'm gonna go to the gym. What else am I doing? Tonight at 9, I'm going to Bowery Electric. There's a Taylor Swift themed like club night, but I am not drinking, and I'm also probably gonna be home by 10:30 because I have class in the morning, but I think it'll be fun to go. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'll update you guys, I guess, later and all that jazz. Okay, I'm back home from the gym. I don't know if you can tell, but the self-tanner definitely developed. I'm going to stretch and, you know, take a shower and everything. And I also went to Whole Foods on the way home to get some stuff for the week. So I'll show you guys. I feel like I've been doing a ton of like grocery hauls, but that's kind of been the vibe this week to set myself up for success. I cook at home way more when school is a thing because I'm like in between classes versus, I don't know, like when I don't have as much going on, I'll like eat out with friends a lot, or I'll go get like takeout just to go do something. So I stocked up on some easy meal essentials and also things that are non-perishable, because then if I do make plans with people, it's not like I have a bunch of stuff going bad. In terms of like fresh food, I normally get just like produce fresh, and then like that I know I'm gonna use, but other than that I try not to buy too many things that will go bad. So I discovered a few months ago this cauliflower gnocchi from I discovered the Whole Foods cauliflower gnocchi, which is a lot better than the Trader Joe's one. Like it tastes like actual like pasta. I also got marinara sauce from there. And I got like vegan Caesar salad dressing because I want to make salads more at home. Stevia, and then some watermelon. Just a simple Whole Foods haul. But now I'm gonna finish the reading I was doing earlier. I got most of the way through it, but then I needed a break, so that's why I went to the gym. And then I'm gonna, I don't know, make or go get food. I'm kind of craving sweet green again after I had it the other day. And then get ready and go out to Bowery Electric for Taylor Swift Club Night. Should be a good time. So now I will stretch and shower. And yeah, class starts tomorrow. Very exciting. Most of this vlog hasn't been class, but that's why it's like a weekly vlog, you know? You know the vibes. YKTV. Oh my god. I got back. I still have the makeup on. This is gonna be a tomorrow issue. It's currently almost 1 a.m. I have class in like 8 hours, so good night. I'm up and on to my first real NYU class. I'm actually, you know, surprisingly awake right now. I got like 5 hours of sleep. Yeah, first class, let's go. I haven't seen it this busy out in so long. There's so many people walking, and my hair is already fucked up. Love it. got out of class, I want to say like a little less than an hour ago, and I just walked to Essa Bagel, which was a trek from school, like 30 minutes, and I got a bagel, and now I'm rushing home to eat lunch. But yeah, the class was good. It was actually like, the vibes are great today. Do you see the sun? It's like 70, not humid, and warm, but not too hot. And everyone just seems to be in a good mood. What was I gonna say? It was crazy though. It was like an 80 person lecture hall, and I haven't had that like ever, because when I went to FIT, there was like 20 or 30 person in-person classes. So to have an actual lecture hall, especially after COVID, was crazy. But yeah, it was a mood booster. My other class is at 4:55. So yeah, I'm seeing one of my friends soon. And then I'm just gonna, I don't know, get stuff done, I guess, in between each. But yeah, I'll update you guys later. But yeah, I'm in a great mood. We are back in an Uber.
Just had vegan food.
Whoa. We went to Willow, and then now we're gonna get ready to go out again. The duo's back at it. I'll see you guys later. Wholesome content. From two hands in the NYU sweatshirt. Hello friends, it is now Saturday, or wait, no, fuck, it's Friday. I'm literally getting the days wrong. I'm so tired. But I'm sorry this vlog was kind of chaotic. It was a lot of like, it was a random week because I only had one real school day. But I'm going to vlog next week, which is my first like real full week of school. So yeah, look forward to more NYU vlogs. And also make sure to check out Anna Luisa and use code Nemec10 for 10% off jewelry. Yes, my necklace I've literally worn every day from there in this vlog and for like the past few weeks. I'm obsessed. But yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. I love you all so much. If you're in school, have a great first week. And mwah. I'll see you in my next video.